Welcome to the Space Station. I'm Sean Duras, and I'm with Space Station Gaming's lead creative, Tall Chicken, social media strategist, Parker, and we're here to talk about how we use Adobe Stock at events and tournaments and LANs that we go to as a gaming company. You're at an event, what's the first thing you need to use Adobe Stock for?
I gotta get B-roll footage of crowd shots, entertaining, lights flashing, just anything to like build the hype for the event, using all that stuff.
All that stuff's already at the event. Why are you using Adobe Stock?
Time management. Do I have the time to get those shots all the time? I gotta get shots of the team, shots of the crowd, shots of the venue, like so many shots you gotta get. Just time management.
There it is. If you're at an event, it seems like you're just gonna shoot everything. No, it's insane. You can't go from the stage filming the players, back to filming the lights, back to filming the crowd, and then what if there's weird stuff in the background? If you're working with a brand, you don't want a bunch of logos in the background. You don't want this. It's gonna save you time using Adobe Stock. Get the shots you can get organically raw in the moment, but everything else, crowd, lights, action, Adobe Stock. What about you, Chicken? Content-wise, what are we looking at?
The one thing that I use it the most for would probably be the locations that we're at. So, for an example, we're at an event in Germany.
Hey, we actually are right now. Good example.
Right
Let's
now.
say we're in Berlin, per
Hey,
se.
there we go.
Okay.
You go on Adobe Stock, you go to videos, you type in Berlin, Germany. There's gonna be a whole ton of videos of, drone shots or like city streets, just really, really cinematic stuff that looks good. We wanna put that in our content to kind of tie it in together. So our team is in Berlin, they're playing, and they're performing, they're competing, and it just brings it together and makes it look really, really professional and really good.
Actually did that this week. We have a team competing in Berlin for a world championship, and we wanted to give the community the experience of being in Berlin with them. So instead of just showing them the stage and the games and all that stuff, we wanted to show them the setting that the players are in, where is the location, what's the setting,
Yeah, just because
how does it feel to be there?
Across the world is so different. Like it's just
Yeah.
cool to see like all these different cultures and everything.
It's the little extra. You don't need it, but if you can provide it, it really submerges the viewer into what you're experiencing.
Brings everything together and
exactly.
it makes it look really, really nice.
So, travel, events, Adobe Stock. Anything else? Final words.
It saves a lot of time.
Yeah.
Saves a lot.
Lifesaver.
Time management, that's the main thing. You can't afford to ship a lot of people off location to do a lot of work and get a bunch of different shots. One person can't possibly get all the shots or even a small team. Get your shots, hang out with the players, enjoy the event. That's another thing, you're traveling.
Yep.
You need to enjoy the event, make some memories. Don't spend your whole time filming and getting content. Live in the moment. Adobe Stock helps you do that on the move. Thank you for watching. This is Space Station Gaming and Sean Duras. Adobe Stock while you're traveling. Bye.